Hey, I'm at the Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada. And this plant here, this is one of the most common little shrubs we find all out here. It's a little dried up. This plant is an Ambrosia dumosa, also known as a burroweed, a burrobush, and a white Bursage. Now it's a member of the Astraceae family, so it's related to daisies, sunflowers, artichoke thistles, coyote brush, and the California coastal golden bush. So this plant looks pretty dead, but it's a drought deciduous plant, which means it goes dormant and loses all of its leaves during time of drought in order to prevent water loss. So that's why they all kind of look dead and dried up. Now it's also known as a type of a ragweed, and when there's water, these plants will bloom with an inflorescence of yellow flowers. Then the flowers will emerge into spherical burr-like fruits, which range in color from golden to purple to brown. So the prickles on the fruit, they'll stick to an animal's fur to help distribute the seeds across the desert. So this plant, it can grow about 3 feet tall. It's highly branched, and you find it in the Mojave and Sonoran deserts of California, Nevada, Utah, and Arizona. And you'll typically find it growing a few feet away from the very common creosote plant, or the Laria tridentata. So the creosote produces a chemical that inhibits the growth of these burroweeds. At the same time, our own burroweed produces its own chemical that causes them to grow away from the roots of other burroweeds. So in some strange way, together they all prevent the competition for water resources and nutrients from the soil. So finally, the pollen from this plant is windblown, can cause serious allergic reactions if you're sensitive to that sort of thing. It's a growing health problem as human populations grow in Joshua Tree and Las Vegas. And this plant has no health benefits, and there's no documentation that it's ever used by the Native Americans for any practical purposes. In the Valley of Fire State Park. All right, talk to you later. Thanks, bye.